I hope you all are feeling well. I am a Piyush Guptam. I am a student of this International Institute of Foreign Languages. So today we are going to play a debate game in which my team is supporting a summer season and my opponent team is supporting a winter season. So let's begin with them.
So, good morning everyone. Good morning. My team is supporting the winter season, in which I am going to point out some points. I think the winter season is the best from out of all of the season. Why? Because in our country where 50% of the population are doing the agriculture, they don't have to go through from the drought problem which we commonly see in the summer season. So our farmer can do the farming in a better way. And also you will see that in the summer season many people have to go through doing their work in the office. They will face many kind of problems when they will go the heat waves, and the people are doing much more hard working, so they have to go through the pollution which we don't commonly see in the winter season. But I can say that the sweating problem is the most common problem that you will see in the summer season. Winter, everything is very calm, the environment is very clean, and you can do your work in a much better way.
Well, sir, don't you think that whatever you are saying is so rubbish? Because whenever winter takes place, so most of the accident happens in a fog. So, but in the summer, it's a totally vice versa. Most in summers, people are tend to go outside. People are tend to play like sports. They feel so much comfortable. In summers, they can eat whatever they want to eat. But in summer, they do not have the choices. They have to maintain their health. And whenever you go outside, then you have to face the fog, and most of the accident take the place.
So it is doesn't matter which is seasons going on. Even something thing is happens at that time is happened, doesn't matter. If I talk about like a winter season, so yeah, winter season is really good, because without waste of money we can feel. Right now I am living in the Jammu Kashmir, this kind of thing, it's a really good. We cannot say it is not good, because every season, because every
I think, ma'am, you are so selfish person. That's why you are saying this. What about those people? Those people are staying at the roadside and the huts. They always in winter they face so many problems because of winters, because they don't have to survive they don't have money to survive their life. So how they can afford the blankets and the warm clothes for them? And most of the animals are also facing that kind of problems in the winters, because when they roam at the.
I think according to the summer season, winter season is the best season in terms of eating. Like in the summer season, there are the many people, they want to eat many things, but they are not able to eat because of their health issues. But in the winter season, whatever we want to eat, we can eat. And in terms of clothing, we can save our skin by the help of sunlight.
That is the reason,
also.
ma'am. That is the reason we are tell about like winter season. We are carry the lots of many kind of t-shirts and many kind of sweaters, and that is a like middle class family don't afford the like sweater and many kind of like woolen clothes. And right now we are also like think about it. We have to carry the woolen cloth. That is very too much enough for. That is a very like biggest price also. In think about it, in the winter season that in the food park people are sleeping outside near the food park, and that time some
So sir, why are you telling about the clothes? Because there are many aspects which you can tell, like there are many negativity which you can see in the summer season. As you can take example of the air conditioner, it is very common in the summer season. Many people who are using the air conditioner, that's why we are getting the many problems, just like ozone depletion. That's why we are getting the too much pollution. That's why we are getting the too much like skin problem because of the summer season. Because in the summer season, people are having a fond of using the air conditioner.
Do you know, sir, when we were in our school, so we took some holiday, because in our summer season we went to our hometown, and we can take some mangoes. There are some fruit we take from a summer season, and in a summer season they have a lot of thing we can enjoy for the summer season.
Okay, ma'am, in the winter season you cannot go in your the auntie's house. You can also go, but in the winter season, why the comparison the winter season and summer season? Because in the winter season we feel the very fresh, and nature is also fresh. In the summer season you can see the most of the people face the itchiness and the sweatness type of problems, and they face a very unfresh type of things. But in the winter we feel the very fresh, because the nature is very fresh. And do you know most of the things and most of the
like
air.
Sir, do you ever heard that every like any report comes in summer that people is dead because of this?
First of all, you have to understand the simple things. Like you are talking about in the winter season, people are facing a lot of the problem. So what do you think in the summer the people are not facing any kind of problem in the roadside? Because in the summer what happened? The people are facing a lot of the problem more than the summer, because in the summer how they can survive their life in the heat, how much heat is going on right now, as well as right now the people are using the too much AC. So as well as we have to think about this thing, because if the people are using the AC
So sir,
at that time, they are
I think
facing-
you are in dilemma. So that's why you are saying this line. Even have you ever heard about is there any beggar and any poor person who has died because of summer? There are so many people. I will tell you the name of that person also. They died because of the winter season. And
Okay, so first of all, the many people have pointed out this point that in the winter people have to go through from the problem like the people who are outside, they have to go through the problem like the winter are too much from them, so their body is not handling the winter season that much. So we can provide the blankets to them. There's no problem on that thing. And second thing is that in the summer you will see that at the roadside you will see that there's too much pollution.
Okay, sir, I agree with your point, but in the winter season when we do our yoga, so we can feel a warm and the heatness in our body. But in the and on the other hand, you're saying that we invest our money for the air condition, and the same thing you happened. It's happened within in every season. When summer season comes, people use air conditioner,
Okay,
and
sir.
when winter
Okay,
comes,
sir. I want to put one fact that summer season is that season. I think that summer season is the wastage of electricity. In summer season, we need more and more electricity that we are not getting. Each and 2 hour electricity gone. But in the winter season, we didn't get any kind
Well, I would say you have been living in hallucination since this debate has taken the place. You must have heard about newborn babies. Most of the newborn babies died just because of the winter. They cannot endure that much pressure of the winter. They are the newborns baby. They cannot face that much problem. But in summer, most of the newborns baby don't die just because of they are capable to absorb the heat. And it happens.
Sir, why are you telling about the babies? As you can take, there are many babies who get died because of the summer. Because I also seen many of the people there are many babies who get died because of the summer season. Apart from that, as you can see about the hotness, the summer season which had gone now, in that season the hotness, the level of the hotness is too much. That's why the many people who are getting
you are talking
too much
about
stomach
in a
problems.
summer we used something, but in a winter you also use that thing like a heater and geyser kind of thing. It's also a very priceless thing. Okay, and if I talking about like in a summer season, so in a winter season there are people they do not take a bath in a daily, but in a winter we take a bath in a daily. Okay, and in a winter we go to the
Okay, ma'am, if you really think about the poor person, so if you have guts, so you can help. If you don't have guts, so you can't speak against the winter season. Because if winter season is not good for us, so why people are visiting in a hill station? Is it good? That's why winter season also coming and we are enjoying. You don't have you should not speak totally against about the winter season, because it's also need our body, our
Okay, I can speak the winter season also and summer season also, because what is the advantage of winter season? But right now summer season, what is the advantage of that now? Because we able to go to anywhere. We are able to go to anywhere with a carry the only for tees and lower. It is a very amazing point. And in winter season we have to carry the lots of woolen clothes, and it's very too much irritating sometimes, because right now if you wash your clothes with my mother.
Okay, sir, I know your point, but don't think about you relax in your home just in the summer seasons with your AC and in the electricities, the product. But in the roadsides, the peoples who has not the electricity type of things, they cannot take the AC kinds of thing, and they feel the most of the AC's things. And we know in the roadside of the people also face the water crisis type of things, because in the summer we feel
sir, you are thinking about your enjoyment. So what about that people who don't have clothes, who don't have shelter? Because in summer they can survive without clothes, without shelter, but in the winter they can't survive without clothes and without any shelter. So
okay, guys, I think you are talking, I don't know how much greedy you are, because right now you are talking about the poor people, as well as in the summer season what happened, who are working in the Zomato as well as the Swiggy, how much problem they face. So you have to understand this thing, because in the bike they cannot feel cool, as well as when they are riding, so at that time they have to stay up their vehicle, as well as when the bus is stopped, so at that time how much heat they are getting. So you have to understand this thing, as well as in the summer season what happened, the people are not getting that much water. In
Sir, have you ever? Okay, sir. So listen to me. Have you ever heard about Yamuna Expressway, Mumbai Expressway? Most of the accident happened in the winters. Most of the people lost their lives because of the winter, because of the fog. So first, because you are not thinking about their lives, life is important, or the if
Okay,
person
so
is
first thing
surviving,
is
it's okay.
that is not related to your season. And that can be happen to any season. And also the talk that is going on today's era is about the climate change, because the winter is very less and the summer season is going to be more. If you are feeling it every year that the winters are very less and the summer season is going very,
So it means you
very
are
much.
saying that you are the having mentality to cure anything. Really, is it? No, it's not. Because if you must have heard these days schools has been closed just because of in order to protect the child, because childs are not able to go schools. And you must have heard, you must have seen one thing, especially in winter, the one thing take place, people just burn the fire in the winter with the thing which harms the ozone layer. Can't you see that thing? And you are blaming the ozone in the summers.
Okay,
And
right now you are blaming the only the one thing. So you have to tell about the summer also, because right now if you are talking about the winter, if the people are burning the wood and the so on kind of thing, so you have to tell about the AC also. But in the and you are talking about the people are facing a lot of the accident. So in the summer the people are not facing any kind of accident. So you have to understand, because in the summer also if accident
Do you
is
know,
right,
sir?
so at that
like,
time it happened.
do you know, sir? In a winter, there are a lot of people. They wear a lot of clothes, but they can feel very laziness. Why? Because of winter season. In a summer, we go to the morning walk. We go to the any another places because we hanging around. That's why in a summer season we.